Today it's Tuesday, which means it's our Tuesday tips and tutorials of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach, and today we're going to be talking about a concept called mind-muscle activation. Okay, so when you're squeezing a muscle and contracting it while working out, your muscles are actually controlled by your brain. So here's how we can use mind-muscle activation to our advantage in the gym. Okay, so let's do an activity. Spread your arms out wide and then go like this. Now chances are you swung your arms together to bring them closer, right? Now this time spread your arms out again and close your eyes. Do not close your eyes if you're driving. Do not close your eyes if you're driving. But otherwise this time close your eyes and I want you to focus on solely squeezing and tightening your chest muscles without worrying about moving your arms. And they still came in. Boom! Your arms should have came in just by focusing on squeezing your chest because it's a chest movement and not an arm movement. So guys, to be honest, this mind-muscle activation technique takes a bit of practice to get used to, but it's a really good technique to help you focus on making sure that you're working out the right muscle each time. And guys, as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.